Do you want to know how you can log into your Imagica AI account and start creating AI apps? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Imagica AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Then go to Google and in the Google search bar search for Imagica.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Imagica. You can either log in with your email address or just go ahead and skip all this and continue with Google. So first let me teach you how you can log in using your email address and password. Go ahead and type in your email address over here and then type in your password over here. Then click login. This way you can successfully log in using your email. Now, if you want to continue with Google, just go ahead and click sign in with Google, which is over here, or you can see your Gmail over here. Go ahead and select your Gmail, and then you can see that you will log into your Imagica.ai account. Now you can start creating your own AI apps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.